Today, I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna turn it into hearty and totally customizable stuffed French toast.
And with a little easy overnight prep, it can be on the table in about 20 minutes. Start by combining fresh eggs and milk in a wide, shallow dish or bowl. Mix with a fork to combine them very well. Generously coat parchment paper with soft butter. Using butter will add flavor and brown the French toast, and the parchment paper prevents it from sticking. Place the buttered parchment paper on a large sheet pan and begin dipping slices of bread into the egg mixture, flipping to coat each side really well, and then lay them on the tray in a single layer. Pour any of the remaining beaten eggs as evenly as possible on top of the slices of bread. Cover the sheet pan with plastic wrap and store it in the fridge overnight. The next day, remove the plastic wrap and pop the tray into the oven for 10 minutes. Remove from the oven and slather Thousand Island dressing, raspberry jam, or any of your favorite sandwich spreads onto the French toast. Top with your favorite sliced cheese. I use provolone and Munster here. Then a few slices of lunch meat. I use turkey and ham. Then the tray goes back in the oven for just about 5 minutes, long enough to melt the cheese. Bring the sides together for your overnight stuffed French toast and you're ready to dig in. Or wrap it up and eat it on the go. Some other combos that my family loves: try Nutella with slices of banana, or cherry preserves with brie and chopped walnuts. Pesto, sliced tomato, and bacon with provolone cheese, also amazing. The possibilities are truly endless.
And you can adjust the recipe to make just one or as many as you'd like.
You can find the recipe for overnight stuffed French toast and many more at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.